Hi guys, let's learn switch function in Google Sheets with an example. So here is a column and let's write a switch statement and you will easily understand with example. So what happens in switch? The first parameter is expression, that is true. Okay, we can write true or false. Generally by default true is used. So if the conditions are true, then the corresponding values will be written. Now let's write the condition. The first condition is A1. Okay, the first one is greater than 90, and we can write A is greater than 90. Okay, let's write the second statement and the second values if the condition is met. Let's write the second condition, A1 greater than 70, and then we can write the statement. Okay, just let me just copy it to produce it faster. Similarly, we can go on writing multiple switch statements. Once we have written all the switch statements, we can close the bracket, hit enter, and now you can see that here it just matches the thing. A is greater than 0 because here A is greater than 0. This condition is matching, so it is producing this value. Here also this condition is matching. Here this condition, last condition, is matching. Okay, in this way it can produce results. Okay, to avoid the NA kind of statement, we can nestle it with if NA function so that this does not happen. Thanks for watching.